So, what exactly can small PPT do? It can generate professional slides from just simple prompt. It can write full articles and summarize. It can even convert PDFs into mind maps, all inside one clean workspace. On the left panel, you will find tools like AI Slides, AI Writer, and Summarizer. In the center, you can start fresh, import a file, or even paste a URL. For example, I typed in my topic how to build an AI agent for beginners. Then I selected the slide count, audience type, tone, language, and text length. And within few seconds, boom, you can add text, shapes, charts, tables, audio, video, even your logos. I had a 12 slides professional deck ready to customize. Don't like the style? Instantly replace the template. Already have content? Just import your file. Small PPT transform it into polished deck automatically. Besides slides, Small PPT also comes with AI writing tool for blogs and articles, a built-in summarizer for files, links, or pasted text, an AI chart generator who turn data into visual instantly, and later upgrade to affordable plans if you need more features. And the good news is, you can actually try it for free. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks again to Small PPT for collaborating with us on this video. I will leave link in the description below.